Welcome to Wellness Ways. Today, we're diving into a game changer. What really happens to your body when you stop eating sugar for just 14 days? Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your mood, or boost your energy, the results might surprise you. Stick around to learn how this simple change can completely transform your health. Let's start with one of the most immediate effects, your sugar cravings. Did you know that sugar is highly addictive? When you consume sugar, it triggers a dopamine release in your brain, the same chemical that's released when people use certain drugs. This creates a cycle of addiction where your body craves more and more sugar. But here's the good news. If you cut out sugar, within just a few days, those cravings begin to fade. Your body starts to adjust, and soon you won't feel the need to reach for that sugary snack. Imagine enjoying food without the constant urge for something sweet. It's liberating. Now let's talk about hunger. Many people don't realize that sugar plays a big role in keeping you hungry. When you consume sugar, it causes spikes and crashes in your blood sugar levels. These crashes make you feel hungry, even if you've just eaten. When you stop eating sugar, your blood sugar stabilizes. This means you'll feel fuller for longer and won't have those sudden hunger pangs. This is because your body is no longer on that roller coaster of sugar highs and lows. Instead, it's steady and satisfied, leading to better control over your eating habits. One of the most surprising benefits of cutting out sugar is the impact on your energy levels. You might think sugar gives you energy, but it's actually the opposite. While sugar gives you a quick spike in energy, it's followed by a crash that leaves you feeling tired and sluggish. Without sugar, your energy levels become more consistent throughout the day. No more afternoon slumps or post-meal fatigue. You'll find yourself more alert and able to power through your day without relying on sugary snacks or caffeine. Your body becomes more efficient at using fat for energy, which is a more stable and long-lasting source of fuel. Let's talk about weight loss. When you cut out sugar, one of the first things you'll notice is that you start to lose water weight. Sugar causes your body to retain water, leading to bloating and puffiness, especially around your midsection. In the first week, it's not uncommon to lose several pounds of water weight. But it doesn't stop there. After the initial water loss, your body begins to burn fat for energy. This is because your insulin levels drop, allowing your body to access fat stores more easily. This leads to noticeable fat loss, particularly in areas like your belly, where sugar-related fat tends to accumulate. As a bonus, losing excess water weight is great for your heart. Carrying around extra water puts additional strain on your heart and blood vessels, so shedding that weight is a win-win for your overall health. Sugar doesn't just affect your body, it affects your mind too. Consuming sugar regularly can lead to mood swings, irritability, and even anxiety. This is because sugar causes fluctuations in your blood sugar levels, which can affect your mood and mental state. When you cut out sugar, you'll notice that your mood becomes more stable. You'll feel calmer, less stressed, and more in control of your emotions. Plus, without the sugar-induced brain fog, your mental clarity and focus will improve. This means you can think more clearly, make better decisions, and be more productive throughout your day. Imagine not only feeling better physically, but also having a more positive outlook on life. That's the power of ditching sugar. Your skin is a reflection of what's going on inside your body, and sugar can wreak havoc on it. High sugar intake has been linked to increased acne, wrinkles, and dull skin. This is because sugar promotes inflammation and accelerates the aging process by damaging collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep your skin firm and youthful. When you stop eating sugar, your skin starts to heal. You'll likely notice fewer breakouts, a reduction in redness, and an overall improvement in skin texture. Your skin will start to glow as the inflammation decreases, and your body begins to produce more collagen naturally. So if you're looking for a natural way to improve your complexion, cutting out sugar might be the best beauty treatment you can give yourself. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic diseases, and sugar is a major contributor to inflammation in the body. This inflammation can manifest as joint pain, stiffness, and a general feeling of discomfort. By eliminating sugar, you reduce inflammation, which can lead to less pain and more flexibility. This is especially important for people dealing with conditions like arthritis. You might notice that you feel lighter, less achy, and more mobile just a few days after cutting out sugar. Reducing inflammation also has long-term benefits. It can lower your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers. So it's not just about feeling better now. It's about protecting your health for the future. Cutting out sugar isn't just good for your waistline. It's great for your organs too, especially your heart and liver. High sugar intake is linked to fatty liver disease, a condition where excess fat builds up in your liver. When you reduce sugar, your liver can start to heal. It begins to process fat more efficiently, reducing the fat buildup in your liver and improving its overall function. This can also help shrink a fatty liver and reduce your risk of developing liver disease. Sugar contributes to high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and inflammation, all of which are risk factors for heart disease. By cutting out sugar, you lower these risks, helping to protect your heart and improve your cardiovascular health. And remember, a healthier liver and heart mean a longer, healthier life. This simple change can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. Ready to take the challenge? Try cutting out sugar for just 14 days and see how you feel. Share your results in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your journey. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tips on living your healthiest life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth, and making small changes can lead to big results. Stay healthy, stay happy, and take care.